be showing you how to customize your YouTube channel. Make sure you've already signed into your account. Then you're going to go to the studio, go down, select customization, and then click on branding. The first thing we're going to do is upload your logo or your profile picture. You can adjust it as needed. This is the perfect size, and you click done. Next, we'll do the banner image. Here you can see what's viewable on all devices, on the desktop, and what it will look like on a TV. Lastly, you can upload a video watermark if you want. Viewers can click on this and it will allow them to subscribe to your channel. You can select, do you want it to display at the end of the video, custom start time, or have it play during the entire video. Make sure at the end of all of these changes you click publish or nothing will be saved. And it is as easy as that.